Let's open these blinds and get some nice sunlight. That's the first thing I do every morning after making my bed, and I'm usually not a very early riser on the weekends, but I like to splash some cold water on my face to wake myself up a little bit more, sometimes cleanse with a gentle cleanser. I have really dry skin and it gets even more dry in the winter, so I make sure that I moisturize adequately. This is my second bottle of La Roche-Posay, which I found works really well with my dry skin. I always use sunscreen even on cloudy days, and this has been my favorite for my dark skin because it doesn't leave a white cast and it blends into my skin really easily. The squalene in it is also super moisturizing for my dry skin. I always drink water first thing because after sleeping and being dehydrated for so long throughout the night, it's super important to hydrate thy body. And at this point, I usually make coffee, but this day I woke up super hungry, so I'm gonna listen to my body. I was craving a smoothie and I just use any plant milk I have, lots and lots of spinach or any greens I have, high in vitamin K, folate, vitamin A, potassium, some strawberries for some extra fiber, some vitamin C, and flaxseed for more fiber, omegas, and antioxidants. And of course, my favorite protein powder from Tropica in vanilla. We got about 20 grams of protein now in this smoothie. I've gotten into the habit of playing piano in the morning. It is so soothing and therapeutic. Now I'm looking at what I wrote down from the night before that I have to get done today. Let's grab a coffee, shall we? It is definitely coffee time now. A tall hot Americano with a splash of almond milk, please. Thank you.
Have a good day,
I also really need to finish editing this video, so let's get in the zone. Let's be productive. It is a cold, rainy day in Austin, Texas today. It's 53 degrees Fahrenheit, this in Celsius. And I told myself I would go to yoga today. There's a class called Yoga for Climbers. Oh, actually it's at 1:30 and right now it's 1:12, so I need to hurry. Actually, yeah, let's just go now. We're gonna go now. Okay, bye.
No umbrella. Beautiful. Beautiful.
I don't care if I look crazy. It's raining so hard and I had to park all the way at the back. I really don't do much yoga, so I was not familiar with all the phrases. So I was smiling because I had no idea what I was doing, but I was having fun with it. And I kept looking around to see what other people were doing because sometimes I was lost. But I'm so glad I went to yoga, even though it was raining, because it was a great workout. We did some abs at the end. It felt amazing.
And after I wash my hair, then I'll have a more substantial meal, because I know if I don't eat now, I'm gonna be starving by the time I get to my next meal, and then I'm gonna want to eat everything. You know when you're really hungry, any food probably tastes amazing. Like, this is very simple and literally barely has anything on it. But I'm like so happy about it right now. So happy that I'm eating this. Okay, so I thought I would show you guys my curly hair routine, because I know a couple of you had asked on Instagram. So I'm just using this Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhancer. I ran out of the big bottle, so I just have like some extra in here that I use when I travel. I'm gonna put some water on it because it activates the protein. Rub it. And I do this in my shower upside down so I don't get my whole bathroom wet. Upside down for some volume. Then I'm gonna take some of this Aveda liquid gel, which is just a light gel sent to me from Mains by Mel when we did that collab video on her channel, which if you haven't watched it yet, you should totally watch it. It's all about nutrients for hair health. And I'm gonna take like that much. Then I sponge a little bit. And that is literally it. That's it. That's all I do. I air dry it because I'm too lazy to do anything else.
Before I go to the grocery store, I always try to bust out my recipe book so I can plan what I want to make so that I can reduce food waste, plan to eat healthfully, and recipes make it in here when I've made them multiple times because that means I like them. So it just makes my life easier and makes everything so much more organized.
I really want to take a nap, but I don't nap. Comment below and let me know, do you nap or not? I never intentionally take naps. I just feel like, I don't know why. Like, if you think about it, I slept very well last night, very well. The night before though, I was out with some friends, so. Dang, I'm getting old. I drank a lot of water. Maybe not enough. Maybe I need to drink more water. This is actually a really good tip. Whenever you feel like your energy is kind of low, go through these things in your head. Did you sleep enough? Have you gotten any exercise today? Because sometimes walking and just a little bit of exercise can get your energy up a little bit. And for more tips on energy and how to boost your energy naturally throughout the day without caffeine, check out this video right here. So I know that I got enough sleep. I got some exercise in. I might not have had enough water, and also food. I don't think I had enough calories. This is the total amount of calories that I've had today so far, and it's like almost 4 o'clock. So yeah, I need to eat.
Let's make something quick and easy that has protein, healthy fats, and fiber. I'm gonna top all of this with this homemade cashew queso, which is just cashews, spices, nutritional yeast, and plant milk.
Then I'm gonna have my vitamins with this. It's getting more beautiful outside now. It's bright and sunny. It's making me happier. Put the sun emoji in the comments if you're more of like a sunny day person, and put the rain emoji in the comments if you like more rainy days. I'm curious because I know a lot of people do say that like they feel nice when it's rainy and like it feels cozy and stuff, but I really like it when it's sunny because I really feel like it lifts my mood. Also, you guys might have noticed that I'm not the type of person to follow the breakfast, lunch, and dinner routine, not at specified, you know, acceptable breakfast, lunch, and dinner times, because why? Like, who made these rules? Why do we care? I eat when I'm hungry. I don't feel like following rigid rules really helps you at all with healthy eating. I feel like we need to be more flexible, listen to our body, and then throw out any rigid rules. It's definitely not the most beautiful thing in the world, but it will do. Ooh, that's good. If you want to learn more about hunger and like learning about your hunger levels, understanding that, and learning how to listen to your body and honor your hunger signals, I have an entire video dedicated to that. I'm definitely drinking enough water now.
I need a jacket. I'm literally wearing a dress right now. It's not gonna do. It's like 50 degrees Fahrenheit out, and this in Celsius, not gonna do. So unless I put on some leggings and some boots and a jacket, I might just do that. This should be fine, right? 50 degrees, we got this. Hi! You believe God is a woman. Yes, baby. Hi, sweetie pie.
You see Skitty Kitty outside?
Yeah, I saw. Wait, is that a man or a woman?
A man.
I mean, is it Sophie, queen on her throne? Okay. Alright, look. Wow. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Get him. Get him. Oh. So, what you doing?
Say, I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl. I get that kitty.
Oh. All right, it is getting dark.
So my hair is completely dry now, and this is what it looks like, all fluffed out. Pretty happy with it. I like the volume, like fluffed it out more for some oh my gosh. Look at the volume right now. It's cute though, I like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And then I took a little bit of some serum, some Frizz Ease serum, which I'm actually running out of, and I need to get some Moroccan oil because that's my serum that I really like to use.
I'm making chickpea pasta because it's much higher in protein and fiber than traditional white pasta, so that increases the satiation factor and ensures that I'm going to stay full for longer, and you already know I will link it in the description bar below. To make the cheese sauce, all I do is blend half a cup of plant milk plus some water, 1.5 cups of soaked cashews, 3 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of mustard, juice of 1 lemon, and all of the condiments that you see on the screen. And I'm just adding some extra cheese in there for some fun. We gotta have some fun sometimes. I'm throwing in lots and lots of spinach that is gonna wilt down for some extra health. And this habanero hot sauce is very, very spicy and very, very good. This was so delicious that I actually cannot speak because it's too amazing to do anything but focus on this food right now in front of me. And that, my friends, is mindful eating. When we eat our food without TV, without distractions, we tend to eat less because we're listening to our hunger cues a lot better and enjoy the food a lot more.
That was so good. I really love that chickpea pasta because there's different brands and different brands just taste different to me. But this one is probably my favorite because Banza is okay. This one is actually less expensive than Banza and tastes better in my opinion. So if you're gonna do a chickpea pasta, get that brand. I would highly recommend it. I'm reading this book right now and it's very, very good. I'm almost done with it. Hopefully I can finish it tonight. No, actually I don't think I can. I have quite a few more pages to go. I'm not going out tonight. It's Saturday night and this is what I'm doing. Like, this is what I do on the weekends typically.
By the way, the next day, this is what my hair looked like, and I also learned how to dress for the cold.
Comment below and let me know what you thought about this vlog and if you want me to do more vlogs in the future. I know one person asked for a vlog, which is why I'm doing it. I didn't know if you guys liked it or not, but if you do, I will keep doing them for sure. So stay tuned. If you haven't already seen this video on antioxidants, it's more of a technical video all about everything you need to know basically about antioxidants. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a like if you did, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.